If you've ever saved your Facebook login in Firefox and now need to find it again, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you forgot your password, need to sign in on another device, or just want to check the saved credentials in your browser, Firefox makes it easy to view stored logins in a few clicks. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you can access a variety of browser settings and tools. From here, click Passwords. This will take you to Firefox's built-in Saved Logins Manager, where all stored usernames and passwords are kept securely in one place. Once the Passwords page loads, look for the search bar at the top. Click inside that search field and type Facebook. This filters your saved accounts so you can quickly find the exact login you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. After typing Facebook into the search bar, select your Facebook account from the list. If you have more than one Facebook login saved, make sure you choose the correct one so you reveal the right password. Once your Facebook entry is selected, you'll see the saved details for that account. Next to the hidden password, click the eye icon to reveal it. Firefox may ask you to confirm your device password, PIN, or Windows login before showing the password, depending on your security settings. That's completely normal and helps protect your saved information. After you confirm, your hidden Facebook password will appear on the screen. You can now copy it, use it to sign in, or save it somewhere secure if needed. Just remember, this should only be done on your own account and on a trusted device. And that's how you retrieve a stored Facebook password in Firefox in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another useful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.